In this video, you'll learn how to import a PDF in Notion. First, make sure you're viewing your page because the import option only shows up there. Go to the top right corner and click on the three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Import. Next, choose PDF from the list of import options. Your File Explorer will open automatically. Find the PDF file you want to import, double-click it, and Notion will start uploading it right away. Once the upload is finished, Notion will automatically create a new page with your imported PDF inside it. You'll be able to scroll through it, preview it, and use it just like any other Notion page. This is a simple and fast way to bring your PDF documents directly into Notion for easy access and organization. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out more Notion tips on this channel.